Earning rewards by sharing hard drive storage is nothing new. In fact, the first tutorial on this channel, back in 2020, when the DePIN concept did not yet exist, was about storage, a project that already allowed us to do exactly this. But now, with AI devouring data at an insane speed, decentralized storage is making a comeback stronger than ever. And this is where DeNet comes into play, a revolutionary platform that we already talked about a few months ago in this video that I have linked above, and with which you can monetize your storage in a profitable and simple way. While in my previous video I introduced you to the Watcher nodes, the mobile version of the two types of nodes in DeNet, responsible for validating files stored in its decentralized cloud, today I am here to talk to you about the DataKeepers, the desktop nodes that form the foundation of this cloud and act as the vault where the data of DeNet service users is stored and protected. And here comes the interesting part. The presale of the DataKeeper has just begun, and the few available units are flying. So, if this sounds good to you, stay until the end, because this interests you. But first, so that you can understand the potential of DeNet and its DataKeepers, I want to give you a bit of context. In recent months, artificial intelligence has experienced notable growth, but two important events that took place last week have brought to the table a new key issue that very few have noticed: the importance of managing and storing the data necessary to feed and train AI models. The first event was the announcement by the Trump administration of a $500 billion investment for the Stargate project, aimed at strengthening AI infrastructure in the United States. The second was the controversy surrounding the emergence of DeepSeek, a new Chinese AI that has challenged known standards regarding the technical requirements needed to train large AI models. Furthermore, it has raised concerns about the security of personal data handled by it. At first glance, both events have been framed in the media as a battle for access to and control of advanced GPUs like those from NVIDIA, something we will not deny is crucial in training AI models. But the curious thing is that no one has considered that the true power of AI lies in the quantity and quality of the data used to train these models, regardless of which chips they are processed with, since all that will provide is speed in their responses. As more AI applications emerge, and they become increasingly precise and powerful, the demand for reliable and scalable solutions to store and process this data is growing exponentially. In this context, DeNet presents itself as the ideal solution, providing a decentralized infrastructure that combines security, efficiency, and scalability to address storage challenges. As you can see, DeNet offers several advantages that position it as an ideal storage solution for artificial intelligence and Web3 projects thanks to the four fundamental pillars on which it has based its model. These are scalability and efficiency. On one hand, its decentralized architecture allows for dynamic scalability without the bottlenecks associated with traditional cloud providers. Affordable storage. On the other hand, DeNet's economic model allows companies and developers to store AI-generated data affordably. Enhanced security and privacy. But not only that, decentralization ensures that there is no single entity controlling users' data, reducing the risk of leaks or censorship. Seamless integration with AI workflows. Additionally, DeNet's infrastructure is designed to support AI data pipelines, offering a robust and efficient solution for real-time model training and applications. As you can see, DeNet is building a future where your data is secure, transparent, and truly yours. With more than 3 million registered users worldwide who trust the DeNet storage protocol to protect their valuable data, it is clear that this vision is making a significant impact. This success is driven by an innovative dual-node system. Watchers and DataKeepers. These specialized nodes work together to create a robust and reliable data storage ecosystem, with distinct roles and varying levels of responsibility and rewards. On one hand, we have the Watcher nodes, which, as I mentioned earlier, we already covered in a previous video and will not go into too much detail about. Generally speaking, we can say that the Watcher nodes are the sentinels responsible for ensuring the integrity of data in DeNet. With more than 1 million Watcher devices, DeNet has established itself as the most secure storage network created to date. Anyone with a smartphone can launch a Watcher node, contributing to network security and maintaining a reliable system that has already protected over 15 million files from leaks and security breaches. If you are not yet generating rewards with your smartphone by running a Watcher node on it, I leave you my code and my link so you can get a bonus of 1000 WNN tokens in DeNet just for signing up. Well, now let's move on to the real focus of the video, the DataKeepers. While the Watchers focus on verifying stored data and files, the DataKeepers are the security vaults of the network, responsible for storing users' data. These nodes require dedicated hardware and a paid license. Regarding the required hardware, as you can see on the screen, the minimum specifications needed are not excessive at all, meaning they can run on any secondary PC or mini PC you may have at home. As for the license, the only thing I can tell you is that they have just been released in pre-sale, and from this moment, you can reserve yours with a $100 deposit. The final price is $498, although if you purchase it in this first stage, you can get it for only $473, thanks to the 5% discount you get by using my code or accessing the reservation through the links I leave in the description. However, if you are also a Watcher node user, you will receive an additional personalized discount, which will depend on your node's performance regarding the stage you have managed to evolve to and the number of tokens you have accumulated. So, another reason to install and claim your WNN every 6 hours. Well, now that you know what the DataKeepers are and how to acquire your license, you're probably wondering why I consider them a unique opportunity, right? Let me explain. The DataKeepers not only pay you for sharing storage, but they do so with a hybrid model that combines payments for actual storage and participation in DeNet's tokenomics, something that sets them apart from other projects in the sector. On the project's website, they mentioned that we could earn up to $5,000 per year with our DataKeeper. However, let's be realistic. This requires sharing an enormous amount of storage that is not accessible to individual users like you or me, and all under perfect market conditions, which, as we know, is very unlikely to happen in reality. Bringing things down to earth, I will tell you that the combined model of rewards for shared storage and token distribution based on the project's tokenomics, which currently allocates 15% of the total supply to node holders, although the final tokenomics are not yet finalized, I believe can truly generate interesting rewards. And I say this because DeNet is not just a promise, but a project that is already offering real solutions to real needs, all with enormous utility potential that makes it truly attractive. And to make it clear to you, I will show you below. For this, there is a key fact you need to know. And that is that, although DeNet was initially built on Polygon, it has recently migrated to PIC network. And this change has been a significant step because with it, DeNet has become the native storage layer for DePIN projects in the PIC ecosystem, which currently hosts more than 50 projects. Among them, on the Web3 side, we find giants with unprecedented storage demand potential, such as Silencio or Natix, while on the Web2 side, we find names like Airbus, Bosch, or MasterCard, which you cannot deny are great news for the project's utility and, consequently, its success. If we add to this that DeNet's policy is to offer decentralized storage for only $100 per terabyte per year, which is about 10 times cheaper than its centralized competition, it is clear that it has everything to become a future leader in cloud storage for a vast number of potential users. And all this combined with what has already been mentioned makes me very bullish on this project. So, if like me, you are interested in making money with decentralized storage, these DataKeepers are an unbeatable opportunity. With the exponential growth of artificial intelligence, the demand for secure, scalable, and affordable storage is going to skyrocket, and DeNet is in the best position to lead this revolution. So, are you going to stay out, or are you going to seize this opportunity before anyone else? That's all for today. If you liked this video, don't forget to like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss our next updates. See you in the next one.